Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to take a look at the best renters insurance companies. What are the best companies to use when you're looking for renters insurance to provide coverage in your rental? Whether you're staying in an apartment, home, or wherever you are currently renting, that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. Again, going for the renters insurance, what are again the best companies? And again, if you'd like to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best renters insurance companies. Now, first, we're going to be taking a look here at this page done in partnership with money.com, where we put together and rank the list of the best renters insurance companies in your area. And if you'd like to get access to this page, this will be at that first link down below in the video description. That's brentvalesky.com/renters-insurance. Again, that will take you over to this page here, where you can check out the list of the best renters insurance companies. All you have to do is type in your zip code and you'll get matched with our top renters insurance companies. And kicking off this list, of course, it's important to understand before we dive into the companies that if you are currently renting, it's important to protect your belongings against damages. And with renters insurance, you could protect your home and everything inside it. Again, that also includes apartments or wherever you are currently staying. And one other thing to cover as well before we dive into the company specifics of the best renters insurance options is that, in terms of coverage and what that includes with renters insurance, keep in mind that renters insurance, according to Progressive here, it protects your belongings and provides liability coverage for your rented space. It covers damage to your personal property due to covered perils such as fire, theft, or vandalism, as well as liability for injuries or damages you cause to others within your rented space. It may also cover additional living expenses if you need to temporarily relocate due to a covered incident. This could include things like hotels or transportation. So that's just a quick brief overview of, again, how renters insurance works and what it exactly is. Now, taking a look here, our number one choice for renters insurance is actually Lemonade. And Lemonade, as you can see here, they offer awesome renters insurance for instant everything, great prices, big heart. So they have coverages starting at just $5 a month, and you can get a quote in as little as 90 seconds and file a claim in minutes. They have no brokers, paperwork, or wait times, and they have unclaimed premium goes to charity of your choice, as well as a financial rating of A, exceptional for fully regulated insurance. If we take a look here at the Lemonade site, again, if you click on the view rates button here on this comparison page, you'll be taken over to Lemonade, where you can check your prices and get a quote today for your renters insurance. Now, in terms of how the quoting process works, again, it depends on your area, how many units are in your building, where you're staying exactly. So there's a lot of factors that actually go into your actual renters insurance quote, and that's why it's important to get a quote from not only just Lemonade, but maybe even multiple companies to compare and shop around to compare quotes as far as which company might be the best one for you specifically to go with. But again, Lemonade is ranked number one at the top of our list because they do have really affordable renters insurance. As you can see here, renter tested, landlord approved, starting at just $5 a month. And you can check their prices for you today. Again, a lot of people do find them to be a pretty good insurance process in terms of checking the price and getting covered, as you can see here, in as little as 90 seconds. They do have an AI that can activate your policy and protect your stuff, right? This thing's like phones, AirPods, shoes, a guitar, whatever you have in your home. And this can include, again, what does renters insurance actually cover, right? We talked about the types of perils and things that could happen, but for example here, they say, if someone swipes your bike, crime and vandalism coverage, if a water leak ruins your stuff, right, water damage coverage, if your stuff goes up in flames, right, fire and smoke protection, as well as other damages if someone else's accidents happen, right, if someone gets hurt in your home, they could pay medical expenses for someone, or if someone sues you for damages, so that can also protect you against liability protection against accidents, things like that. And then these claims are paid as you can see here, directly through Lemonade's platform. Again, Lemonade is our number one choice here, again, starting at just $5 a month. You can check their prices, again, at the links available in the video description. Moving into number two, as you can see on screen here, we have is Geico. Now, Geico has a quick and easy online quote and claiming process. They have a multi-policy discount for auto and renters, as well as liability coverage with medical payments and a 20% 24-hour support online or by phone, and they offer a convenient mobile app and virtual assistant. If we take a look here at Geico's website, as you can see here, you type in your zip code to get started, and you can enjoy their personalized policies with comprehensive coverage, again, for renters insurance. You can go through the whole quoting process in terms of what that looks like for your renter's insurance with Geico. Now, Geico is primarily known for auto insurance, home insurance, other types of things, primarily auto insurance really, and car insurance, but Geico does offer that multi-line discount. So maybe if you go with renter's insurance on top of your car insurance, you can also potentially save some money there as well, which could be one of the nice benefits of going with a company like Geico if you're interested in that. And they do also have a team of specialists to help answer your questions, as well as, again, like I already hinted at and mentioned, you can get potentially more savings by bundling policies, and you could get additional savings there. And then they do also have a pretty nice mobile app. I've personally tested and used Geico myself, and their mobile app is pretty sleek and easy to use overall. Again, that is Geico for renters insurance. Moving in at number 3, we have is Allstate. Now, Allstate, as you can see here, they offer a full complement of renters insurance coverage, and they have liability, property damage, guest, medical, and living expenses policies for every budget. They offer you to buy customized coverage online or through a wide network of agents. You can get a personalized quote in minutes, and they have optional identity theft protection, as well as personal umbrella policies and coverage for business property, as well as the take my what's my stuff worth quiz to see if renter's insurance is right for you. And that's actually a really important process in getting renter's insurance, is actually putting together a list of all of your stuff and what it's actually worth, right? That's a really important aspect of it, because if you can't prove in your claim that you actually own any of the stuff that you're listing out, it might make your claiming process more difficult. So a lot of these companies do have you maybe take a video or put out together a list of all your stuff so that you really know how much your stuff is worth. That's not only just for Allstate here, but really that goes for all the companies. Some of them include that in their quoting process when you're actually going through and getting renter's insurance, but it's something to keep in mind just so you protect yourself when it comes to actually if you need to go and actually file a claim, and so you can get paid on your damages, right? So if we take a look here at Allstate's website, so you can protect your stuff with the Allstate Renters Insurance, and you can find out how much you can save with their free quote in minutes. Again, you just type in your zip code and you can click get a quote. And they do have that ability, to tell you exactly what it is for you. Again, it is very personalized and specific, so can't really talk too much about all the exact pricing here because it really does depend on a multitude of factors like I already touched on in the video here today. Moving along, next in this list, and last but not least we have here, is Progressive. Now, Progressive has average rates for less than $1 per day, and they protect personal belongings as well as covers loss of use, personal liability and medical expenses, as well as online quotes and 24/7 customer service. If we take a look here at Progressive's website, as you can see here, you can select peace of mind comes as standard, protect all you own, whether it's at home or with you as well. That's something to consider with renter's insurance. It covers it whether you're at home or even just with you as well. So it's coverage on your belongings, essentially no matter what, realistically, at the end of the day, even if you're traveling with it and things like that, right? So do keep in mind, policy specifics, but that's something that you can consider and understand about certain renter's insurance policies. They have, you type in your zip code for your location, you select renters. Again, now Progressive does have a wide variety of different types of bundles and other products that they quote, but you can also potentially get a multi-policy discount similar to Geico with Progressive, where they allow you to bundle your auto and renters, and that's an additional way that you could save an average of 5% on your auto insurance if you bundle it with renter's insurance with Progressive. And they have a wide variety of different types of other products and insurance in terms of what they include here. And again, as you can see here, save an average of 5% when you add it to your property is the auto insurance and the renter's insurance rate. And you can get a quote today from Progressive for your renter's insurance policy. So again, guys, I do want to also remind you our number one choice here, again, is Lemonade. If you'd like to get started today, you can check out the rates and view this page here, the best renter's insurance list, put together in partnership with money.com, where we rank the list of the best renter's insurance companies, again, available at that first link down below in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.